Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at y'all with another video for samsbeauty.com. Sam's Beauty sent me these 3 packs of crochet hair. This crochet hair is in the color 1B27. I'm going to show you guys what the hair and what the boxes look like. So this is the Freecolon Curl Crush crochet hair in the style Kenzie Curl and in the color 1B27. So as y'all know already, my strong suit is not with braids and crochet and things like that. It's more so wigs and weaves. So I got my stylist Pam. She works at Vanity Hair Studio, which is my salon, and she is amazing at braiding. She does very, very neat work. So I felt very confident in letting her do it and to be able to show you guys exactly how to achieve this look. Make sure you guys follow her on Instagram at MyHeartBeatsHair. So now I'm going to just go ahead and jump straight into the tutorial on how she achieved this look. So if you'd like to see it, then stay tuned. So this is my hair freshly shampooed and blow dried, and then she's just going to section out the top half of my hair where I want the bun to be. She mixed up the Got To Be Ultra Glued Styling Gel and the Cantu Coconut Curl Cream to help slick my hair up, and then she went back with some more of that same gel and just helped slick my edges a little bit more. Now she's going to take a fine tooth comb and smooth it out even more, and then put my top half in a ponytail. So now she's going to tie my hair down with a black wrap strip. I'm going to sit under the dryer for 20 minutes. And once I came out, I got my hair braided up into 3 braids at the top, and this helped her to put my hair in the smallest bun possible. And she just wrapped those 3 braids around, and then she came back, and I thought this was really cool and different. She actually just sewed the braids together to keep them in place. So you're going to see her with a needle and thread sewing the little bun secured. So once she's done with that, she went on ahead and braided up the back of my hair in a beehive, and now she's just crocheting the hair in. So she just inserts the crochet needle through the braid, pulls the loop through, then she's going to pull the end through the loop, twist the loop, and then pull the end through the loop again and pull it tight. So now you're going to see her do it at regular speed, and then I'll go ahead and start speeding things up. But you can see in the back she kind of spreads it out a little bit more, and that's because we don't want it to be too big in the back. So you just pretty much put where you think would be a good spot. You don't have to do them completely side by side because we do have a lot more to go. So this is after 1 pack, and then this is after 2 packs. So on that top braid she did the crochet hair side by side so that you couldn't see anything. So you see what I'm talking about. You definitely didn't need to do everything in the back side by side because that would have been huge. So now she's just finishing off that last braid, and so this is what the back looks like. And now she's going to complete the bun. So for the bun, she's just crocheting the hair all the way around the bun, just around the base of the bun. And then after she's done with doing that, she's just going to crochet, I believe she did about 5 pieces in the bun, just to help with concealing the bun and everything. So you see right now she is crocheting into the bun, just a few right at the top of it. And then, so this is what the hair looks like if you were to keep it in like a ponytail style, but I felt like that was really juvenile, but I did want to show you guys what that looked like. And now we're going to go ahead and bun it up. So how she bunned it was she separated it into 2 pieces, and then she wrapped 1 section around and pinned that. And then you guys see how that hair is falling over top of the bun. All she did was kind of stretch the curls over top so that you could still see all the curly hair. She just stretched the hair across the top of that bun and then pinned everything into place. So now, me being me, you know, the bigger the hair, the closer to God. So I needed my hair to be separated. So she just went through and separated each piece into 2 pieces. I didn't want her to separate it too much because then, you know, it promotes frizz in this type of hair. So she just separated everything into 2 pieces and it'll grow over time. So this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed and were able to follow. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Be sure to check the description box for all the info on this hair. Bye.